Thank you for watching our video. In this lecture, I'll show you how you can rank your website easily on Google, Bing or any other search engine. Everyone want to rank their website in Google, but many of them can't rank in website for various factors due to site problem or content problem or SEO problem, many other problems. In this lecture, I will show you how you can rank your website easily on Google, Bing and any other search engines. SEO, full means search engine optimization, is the activity of optimizing web pages and whole sites in order to make them search engine friendly, thus getting higher positions in search result. This means when a user search in Google by keyword, he will get your site on first page or second page, but everyone tried to index their sites on first page. From first page you will get more traffic, more engagement on your site. SEO is all about optimizing a website for search engine. SEO is a technique for designing and developing a website to rank well in search engine result. Improving the volume and quality of traffic to the website from search engine. Marketing by understanding how market search algorithm works and what human visitors may search. SEO is a subset of search engine marketing. It's also referred to SEO copywriting because most of the techniques that are used to promote sites in search engine deal with text. At this moment, everyone know content is the king, because if your content is good, you can rank your website very fast, because content is the king at this moment. How SEO works or how search engine works. Search engine performs several activities in order to deliver search result. Number 1, crawling. Process of fetching all the web pages linked to a website. This task is performed by a software called a crawl or spider. It's also called a Google bot. Number 2, indexing. Process of creating index for all the web pages and keeping them into a giant database from where it can be later be retrieved. Essentially, the process of indexing is identifying the words and expressions that best describes the pages and assigning the page to particular keywords. Every keyword it should be indexed on Google to rank your website. It's very important. Search engines such as Google, Yahoo, they update very regularly dozens of algorithms per month. When you see changes in your rankings, it is due to an algorithm shift or something else outside of your control. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for next videos and get more updated to keep your websites on ranking on first pages of Google and Bing. Thank you so much again.